Just as keyboards are loved for their tactile quality, durability, and ergonomic design, Adirondack chairs, especially those made with cedar-style wood or wood-textured HDPE, are growing in popularity for their comfort, weather resistance, and timeless outdoor appeal. This guide evaluates the best Cedar Adirondack chairs based on material quality, folding functionality, weather resistance, ease of assembly, and long-term comfort, so you can pick the ideal chair for your patio, deck, or garden. List number: Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair, SGS tested, wooden textured with cup holder. The Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair blends the charm of cedar-like wood texture with the practicality of weather-resistant HDPE material. SGS tested for durability and safety, this chair is built to endure rain, UV rays, and snow without fading or warping. The built-in cup holder adds convenience for sipping drinks while you relax. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or relocate. And the chair. List Yefu Adirondack Chair, weather-resistant, hips plastic with wood texture. The Yefu Adirondack Chair delivers exceptional weather resistance and aesthetics. Crafted from hips plastic with a rich wood grain finish that mimics natural cedar. Designed for all-season use, it resists cracking, chipping, and fading, even under intense sun or rain. The contoured seat and wide arms provide excellent comfort, and it supports a generous weight capacity of up to 380 pounds. List number 3, Muchinji Folding Adirondack Chairs, weather-resistant patio seating. Muchinji's Folding Adirondack Chair offers a smart balance of durability, style, and portability. Made from tough HDPE material, it replicates the appearance of real wood, including a cedar tone finish that blends beautifully with outdoor spaces. It folds flat for easy storage, making it ideal for seasonal use or tight storage spaces. The chair is rated to support up to 380 pounds and has a contoured seat and back that prioritize user comfort. Assembly is quick and straightforward, and its slatted design helps shed water to prevent pooling. Whether you're setting up, Sairwal Adirondack Chair for patio, garden, outdoors, fire pit, folding gray. The Sairwal Folding Adirondack Chair in gray brings versatility and functionality to your outdoor setup. Though not cedar in material, its weather-resistant HDPE construction is designed to mimic the texture and look of natural wood, offering the rustic charm of cedar without the maintenance. The folding feature allows for easy portability, making it ideal for events or rearranging. It's UV-resistant, waterproof. List 9. Sairwal Folding Adirondack Chairs, weather-resistant for outdoor use. This version of the Sairwal Folding Adirondack Chair stands out for its classic wood-like appearance, resembling cedar grain with a heavy-duty HDPE build. It's weatherproof, fade-resistant, and built to last years without requiring sanding, staining, or painting. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, allowing you to move or store the chair with ease. Its high backrest and deep seat offer exceptional support for relaxed lounging.